Welcome to the HIWIN exposition here at Automatica in Munich. We're excited to welcome everyone who is joining us today for a big announcement about a new and essential product, the electric actuator. Versatile, powerful, reliable, in any feature, in any detail. Developed and produced in Germany with selected materials and a sophisticated designs. With especially developed ball screws, optional guiding units and a wide range of combinations, also with other HIWIN products, we haven't developed just a new product, we have developed a powerful and efficient industrial all-rounder. Discover how the flexibility and the reliability of our new actuators can bring your application to the next level. Feel free to contact us or visit us here in Munich.